YouTube? I'm Matt. I'm a full-time wannabe. Basically, I want to go full-time RVing. And that's what my channel's about. It's about me going from the house, getting into my custom cargo camper I built, and hitting the road. And I'm almost there. But let me tell you, this is an adventure in itself. So today I'm going to talk about how I'm making my videos. I'm actually making fun of myself. Because it's pretty damn funny. I wanted to do YouTube videos to kind of, keep track of my process, Nothing better than a video. Certainly ain't going to make money on YouTube because, you need thousands of followers and thousands of views or millions of views and all that. So I'm not really into the YouTube thing for that. I just like it. I'm having a blast doing it. Trying to figure out how to do cut and paste and how to, make the videos better. I'm having a blast doing it. So it's actually going to be like almost a hobby to me. I do autographics, so I'm not worried about making money on the road. I got that covered. That was my step one, was create an online business and make it make money. Done. So, in my cheapness, after watching all the how to make a YouTube video, what kind of equipment do you need to make YouTube videos? Be a professional YouTube video dude. Okay. Sticker shock. Man, I googled that Canon camera, whatever. This is the one you want. Low budget, $600. I'm like, what? That's the low budget one? Oh, good Lord. Well, what's the one you actually need? Okay. And then I was looking at gimbals and stuff like that. They're like $200 to $300 just to stabilize it. I thought the camcorders and your cameras, don't they already have built-in stabilization? Kinda. I've seen China ones on eBay. I've seen these gimbals for like $40, $50. It takes like 98 days to get it because it's got to come from like China, Shanghai, Hong Kong. Some of that stuff comes quick. Some of it, man, you can wait months for. It's crazy. So anyways, I don't use any of those high dollar equipments. The first thing my first 10 videos are made with this. We all know what a GoPro is, right? Well, this ain't one of those. A GoPro is like $400 or $500. You get like a GoPro 1 for, $100. This is a 4K GoPro. It's a China knockoff. Only I was able to get it from California, because that's where half the China knockoff stuff comes from anyway. They got a big warehouse out there. And comes with a fisheye lens. Man, you get awesome full wide shots that I can take my camera on my phone and see what I can shoot. And then I take this thing and do the same thing. And I get everything with this little thing. It has a remote control that mounts on your wrist for you just click a button and it'll shoot a picture or start the record or stop the record. It's touchscreen, 4K, holds SIM card, not SIM card, but a memory card, whatever, the small kind. Actually, this one holds a big one with a small one in it, but whatever size you want. The only downfall with this is it didn't have zoom. It doesn't have zoom. But this also came with a waterproof case. It came with all the accessories, like a hat clip, a helmet strap. It came with the remote. It came with all kind of different accessories, like to put it on your bike handle. If you're on a bike, a pedal bike, on your motorcycle. And they sell an accessories kit too for this, which had the extended pole, the water thing. It's like a bobber, big giant yellow bobber, so you could swim with it underwater, and in case you lose it, it floats it back to the top, so it doesn't sink. It comes with all kinds of stuff. But anyways, I paid $25 for this with half the accessories. It came with every accessory that I need. $25. And you can get the extended accessories kit for another $25. $25. You can stick these things all over your rig for all you big time YouTube video people. You can put this thing all over. You can buy a bunch of these. For one GoPro, you can buy like 10 of these. Hell, you can buy 20 of these for one new GoPro. So it's like you lose one, who cares? They're like disposable. For $25, they're badass. My first 10 videos I made with this. But the zoom, gotta have zoom. So I upped my game. I went all in. And I got a camcorder. These little handy cams. Only this is intact. This ain't no Sony. I paid $50 for this thing. It's not even a word. It's Lesh. That's it. Lesh. That's how you say it. It's an HD camera, 24 megapixel camera. Zoom, 16 by, but hey, that's some zoom. That's all I wanted. That's nice screen. That flips around. Got all the things like a regular camcorder has. $50. That's what I paid for it. $50. I bought both of these things off at eBay. Found them on eBay. $50, brand new. Supposed to be. And it came with an external mic. It comes with this little mic that sticks here, and then it plugs into the back. Plugs into this little plug back here for the mic. It's got a little mic plug. Now here's what's funny. When I bought this, they sent me 2 of them. I'm like, well, why would you send me 2 of them? I mean, Christ, they're $50. Well, it turns out, and there are 2 complete kits. 2 mics, 2 camcorders, 2 plugins, 2 batteries, have 2 sets. Well, China, so what you get? Half of it's crap. Well, both mics didn't work. Neither one of them worked. And I think they were just like thinking, you know what? These are all returns. Hey, the camcorder's fine, but the mics all suck, but we don't have a mic to send in this camcorder as a kit, so we're just going to send him 2. And we'll just hope that he's going to be like, hey, these guys sent me 2 and won't say anything. And they'll just be happy. They're like, fuck the mics, I got 2 camcorders, screw them. And really, in reality, they just don't want me to return them. Well, that was a great idea, because I didn't. I kept them. Screw those mics. I got 2 camcorders that work for $50. Do I need an external mic? No, I'm recording on one of the camcorders now. But in my cheapness, because I felt like I'm saving all this money, I bought this. It's a fuzzy mic kit. And what's awesome about this one's way heavier dutier. You can feel the difference from the ones that came with the camcorder. They're like just plastic paperweight. I mean, they're light. This is the antenna. I mean, the remote. It's for the camcorder. Camcorder comes with a remote too. The mic that came with it was lighter than the remote. That's how cheap they were. But now, I bought this one. $12. $12. Now let me just plug it in. Look at that. I am a professional. There we go. Look at that. Now I look professional. My $62 super camera setup. Oops, can't leave this out. $25. 62, 25, that's $87. $87. And I can make professional YouTube videos. Though I can't. I'm just learning how to edit, and I don't even know how to do any of that stuff. Still figuring that out. But how cool is that? What do you think? Huh? $82. How funny is that? I don't think you can get any cheaper than that unless you go to a yard sale and buy some used stuff. These are brand new in the box. What a setup. And I got 2 of these. Now I got 3 cameras for $82. Hot damn. My YouTube career is looking up. Career. Can't wait to make $100 off of YouTube in 3 years from now. I'm good with that. I think I'm going to stick to my graphics. That's money. And I'm done in an hour. I've seen how long it takes. You know how long it takes to make a YouTube video? Holy crap. This thing ain't going to be but just a couple minutes long. It'll take me all day. I'd rather stick to the graphics to make money and just do this for fun. Hey everybody, I'm Matt. I'm a full-time wannabe. Like and subscribe. Follow me on my adventure, because it's an adventure.